Fear versus respect. Long time ago, very cruel king named Viratsai was ruling the city of Vijayanagar. All the citizens were fearful because of his cruelty. Virat has a dog named Jack, which he used to love more than anything. One fateful morning, Jack died. Viratsai organized last rituals for dog. Entire city came to cremation ground. Viratsai was very happy to see that people love him so much, and he felt he is the most popular king in the world. After a few days, Viratsai died, but no one came for his funerals. Moral: respect is something you have to earn. You cannot force it on others to respect you. There is a thin line between fear and respect. Every one of us should understand it and do necessary corrections in our responsibilities.